Welcome to Mo's Weekend Calendar. If you want to be in the know, then you gotta watch your girl Mo. I'm gonna let you guys know where to go, what to wear, and what's poppin'. What's poppin' right now though is COVID-19. Everyone needs to social distance. Please, please, please social distance. Wash your hands thoroughly, give people 6 feet no pressure, and everything will be fine. Because of COVID-19, I won't be able to talk about the primary topics on my show. Therefore, what's poppin' will be at the forefront. Okay? The first thing that's poppin' is the Prime Minister liking Nassau better than Freeport. That ain't go weak at all. So, my evidence for that is the beach. How Nassau Beach could close 9 p.m. but our beach could close 9 a.m. What? What? No. The next thing is the protest. Freeport being locked down from when? March? Nassau been locked down for what? Like what? Whenever like no. Like no. Okay, so yeah, the whole lockdown situation is not fair. Nassau protested and they didn't even get their 7-day lockdown. He just said, oh, bad weather. So my babies, my golden child don't gotta go on lockdown. I'm happy that all of us are off lockdown, but you know, still unfair. What's popping right now in the Bahamas is that a man was on his porch, and in the video it looked as if the police arrested him for not having a mask. He resisted, but it wasn't necessary. In Mo's opinion, it wasn't necessary. Because between me and you, the tea is the police officer knows the one they were trying to arrest, okay? So it wasn't even necessary. It didn't even have to do, they didn't even have to do all of that. But thank God this was in the States, because if it's the States, he probably would have been dead. Talking about the States, let's talk about how a man, a 17-year-old, what, he was 17, right? A 17-year-old boy, white boy, had a gun in his hand. He ran past 2 police officers. Did the police flinch? I don't think so. I don't think so. If you guys don't know who Jacob Blake is, his situation was that 2 women were fighting in his neighborhood. He tried to separate it, and the police saw him separating it, and I guess they saw the wrong thing. So they tackled him. They ran after him. He ran to his car. When he reached his car and went inside, the police shot him 7 times. He didn't die, but it traumatized his children. His 3 sons was out there watching. So that's a big thing. What's happening right now, the police are not our favorite people right now. We love them and we thank them for protecting us, but they need to do some due diligence when it comes to their training, because, honey, it ain't it. Now, what else is popping is Megan and Tori. Now, Megan and Tori is an old story, but new information has surfaced regarding to Megan. Tori has been talking out his neck, okay? And Megan is fed up about it. So she posted a video saying that, yes, Tori shot her.
Yes, this nigga Tori shot me.
And she doesn't respect how the men in the industry are not defending her and how they're bashing her and making jokes about it because it's not nice. And I agree with Megan. She's a black woman. Black women are not, like, the black men don't protect us. The black men will step up and do something about it instead of just taking it for light, because that could be your mommy. That could be your cousin or your sister. So that ain't cool. So that'll conclude what's popping until next week, Friday, when new tea comes to surface, okay? Earlier this week, I asked you guys to send me questions on my media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and WhatsApp. And I'm about to answer your guys' questions, so let's go.
Nothing sets an outfit off like the perfect pair of shoes. Stilettos, pumps, wedges, booty. It's all right here at Fierce Evolution. Satisfying all your needs with the hottest shoes along with the perfect bag and accessories to match. Come visit us as we celebrate our grand opening on Saturday, October the 5th at 10 a.m. located at 167 Tunique Williams Darling Highway. Call us today, 698-1151. Fierce Evolution, igniting desires.
Okay, first question is, how old is Mo? Mo is none other than, how old do I look? How old I look? 18, 17? Mo is 21 years old. Yes, 21. I know 21 don't look like this, I know. 21. Sadly, thank God for life, but sadly, I'm about to be 22, December 15th. I feel so old. I know. I feel old. I know why I just feel old. Okay, where did I get the name Mo from? I got the name Mo because in high school, I used to do radio on Kiss FM. And the radio host, smooth operator, he gave me the name Mo. I don't know where he got it from. My nickname is Mo, no? And he just was like, man. So he just called me Mo. So that's been my name for like forever. Where am I from? I'm from the Bahamas. All day, every day. I was born in the Golden Child city of Nassau. And I grew up in the Black Sheep city of Freeport. My favorite color? Can you see? Any shade of pink. Light pink, mauve, blush, any color of pink. That's me. All day, every day. If I could meet one person, who would it be? Duh. Anybody who knows me knows that I'm obsessed with Nicki Minaj. It's sickening. Okay? Any boy for her. Any boy. What is my go-to food? My go-to food is pork chop. Lord, pork chop. Pork chop. Phoenix in Nassau off East Street. Spicy pork chop? That's me. Yeah, that's me. Love pork chop. Love pork chop. I also love Kentucky. Everybody in Grand Bahama must love Kentucky because Kentucky line was crazy. It was crazy. And the thing about it is, people didn't want to go inside. Because that's how I get my food. I sent somebody inside to get my food. Because I was waiting on the line. The line was ridiculous. But it was good. Lord. It was like we're addicted on something. And we got our fix. That was really good. If I wanted to live anywhere in the world, where would it be? I would want to live in the Bahamas. Where else? There's nowhere else that's better. Where else would I want to live? Where else? The weather is awesome. We don't have no war, nothing. We just have hurricanes. So where else I would live? We have Kong salad. We have funny bases on the street. And final question is, who is Mr. Mo? Well, all of you should know Mr. Mo. He is deceased, and his name is Benjamin Franklin. Period. So I want to thank you all for watching this episode of Get to Know Mo Tag. Tune in next week Friday, and every Friday after that, I'll be able to let you guys know what's popping in the Bahamas, what's popping in the States. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Also, message me on my social media platforms, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp, and tell me your guys' story. Let me know something about y'all, because this isn't just about me, you know. I want to get to know you guys so I could know what best to talk about so that you guys can, you know, get into it. Because my channel is about empowering people, not women or men. It's about empowering people on the whole. So whenever you come here, you're gonna kiki, at least once a week. Okay? So, thanks for watching. Don't forget, 21 with a whole lot to say. Period.
You're watching RBNTV. We are networking, promoting, we're scoring points for you, proclaiming, declaring, here to encourage you. No matter the problem, we will enlighten you. We hear you, please listen.